Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar and to The Wanted with a song called Colors. So this one is a cool song here, very easy to play and handle, only 4 chords that goes in the same order through the whole entire song. So that's great. So let's start with the capo here on the 2nd fret, and we have these 4 chords that will be C to D to E minor to G, okay? So the first chord will be C here, 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B and open E. Next chord will be D, so open D, 2nd G, 3rd B and 2nd E. Then E minor, so open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B and open E. And finally the G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time. Sometimes we have 3rd B, mostly, but this time open B and 3rd G. Yeah, so there's your chords. So this song here is all about the timing here and the strumming, how to get the right rhythm here for the song. So that's that could be challenging for this one, otherwise very easy. So like I said, it goes in the same order, C, D, E minor, G through the entire song here. So it starts here with the first verse. So the verse and the pre-chorus goes in the same way. So you will play like this. First I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna explain what's happening there. So one round will sound like this. Alright, so that is, you're gonna play for C here, you're gonna play 1, 2, 3, pause, then 1, 2, 3. So it goes in that tempo and rhythm here. So 1, 2, 3, pause. Okay, just downs all the time here so far. So 1, 2, 3, pause, 1, 2, 3. And then you switch to D and you're gonna play right after you finish the C, you're gonna play 2 downs on D. Okay, so if you connect these 2 chords here, the C to D, it will sound like this. Pause. So right after just D, 2 downs. And then comes a short little break to the next chord, which is the E minor this time. The E minor, you will play 3 downs, so like this. And there's a short break, and that's it. And then you shift to G, and for G, you're gonna play 5 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. And right after this 5th here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, comes the C immediately right after. So I'm gonna play this slow for you. Try to play it very slow so you can listen for the rhythm and the tempo. We will add up and build up this tempo gradually later on. But first, just to get the rhythm and the timing right here. So let's start with C here first. And let's do one full round here. C, D, E minor, and G. and so on. So that is kind of how you play. And you're gonna do there 2 rounds for the first verse, and even same 2 rounds for the chorus, the pre-chorus. So the first verse and pre-chorus, in total it will be 4 rounds of this strumming here. Yeah, and then we are in the chorus part here, still the same chords, but the strumming here, if you want to call it strumming here, will change. It will be still only downs, but in a different way here. So I'm gonna play through 1 round for you, and then I'm gonna explain what's happening there for this chorus. So the chorus starts in the lyrics, throw your colors in the sky. So yeah, that's where we are. So let's go with C, D, E minor, and G. Okay, so that is 1 round. And what we did there, we played only downs, and it's 8 downs for C, then 3 downs for D, then 6 downs for E minor, and 5 downs for G. And of course, this could be just hard to count and yeah, be distracted with all the numbers here. So practice with the numbers first, and then you get the feel for the song. Then you know just by the feel when to switch chords here and how to handle the timing here. So just for knowledge there, we need to have these numbers to get the feeling right for the song here. So C, 8 downs, D, 3 downs, then E minor, 6 downs, and G, 5 downs. And this is a typical song where you connect 2 chords to each other and you think as a pair of chords. So notice here, if we're just a little bit mathematical here, the C and D counts up to 11 downs, 8 for C and 3 for D, that's 11. And the same goes for E minor and G. 6 downs for E minor and 5 downs for G. There's only a difference in the split there, so that's why the timing is very important here. Otherwise, it's very logical here when it comes to the musical theory here. So let's go again. 8 downs for C, 3 downs for D, 6 downs for E minor, and 5 downs for G. So let's go. That's how the rounds goes there. 2 rounds of this, and that's the chorus. Then we have this post-chorus part left here, the only part that's left here. And after that, everything will repeat itself. So this is the last part here. Now we need to learn a strumming pattern. So 1 full strumming pattern. I will illustrate that with a C. That's the first chord, of course, still the same chords. So the strumming sounds like this, and then I'm gonna explain how it's done, and it will be divided into 2 different parts. So let's go. Okay, so that's 1 round. So it's down, down, up, down, down. That's the first part. So down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. Okay? And the next part is very easy. It's just up, down, down. Up, down, down. And there's a short break between these 2 parts. So together, the part 1 and part 2 sounds like this. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. So right, so now when we know this, we can learn this strumming here. So you're gonna play for C, you're gonna play one full round of this strumming plus the first part. So it will be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down. That's a full strumming. And then plus down, down, up, down, down. And then you switch fast to D chord here and play the part 2, up, down, down, only on the D chord. So slowly it will be like this, from C to D. And that's it. Okay, so with standard tempo. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down. Right, and then you're gonna play the same pattern, but you switch from E minor to G, so it will sound like this. Sorry, I was wrong there. I watched in the wrong place there. For E minor, you will play one full strumming round, and for G, one full strumming round. So my fault there. So E minor, one full, and G, one full. It will sound like this. All right. So to repeat this and to clarify everything now, you will play C here, 1.5 round, you can say, one full round plus part 1, and then you switch fast to D and play the part 2. And then you're gonna play the E minor, one full round, and the G, one full round. If you see this as one chord progression, which it is, it's C, D minor, and G, you will play this for 2 rounds, and that's the post chorus. And it will sound like this. I will first play slow and then speed up to standard tempo. Alright, so that's one round. And in standard, it sounds like this. Yeah, great. So everything now is a repetition now from the second verse there. We'll play it in the same way, and then comes the pre-chorus, same way there, and then another chorus, same way, and the post-chorus that we just learned, same way there. Then comes a bridge part after that one, and this bridge part we are in the lyrics and we'll dance in the colors together. This will be played for 2 rounds in the same way as you play the chorus. Okay, so this C there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 rounds of that, and that's the bridge part. And then it goes another chorus in the same way, post-chorus in the same way, and this outro, it's played in the same way as the post-chorus. So nothing new after these 3 parts here. With the verse pre-chorus, which is the same, then chorus and post-chorus. So that's what you need to know to handle this great song from The Wanted called Colors. So hope this was helpful for you guys, and if it was, let me know, and see you soon. And don't forget to play tuned.